Yes. When we go for snowpipe, at that time, let me just put this way. I think yesterday only I did it. Don't remember exactly where I stored it. Please wait. Just wait. Yesterday for my corporate training, I did it actually. Please wait. Yeah, this one. Cover. Perfect. Yes. Yesterday's class. Let me put this way. We have our Azure account, storage account, container, and file. Yes, previous classes we learned how to make use of these files imported from to SSMS through SSMS tool to SQL server, right? Or upload from SSMS or Power BI or other storage explorer tool, storage browser, etc. And later we need to see how to integrate the data factory and data bricks as well. We'll do similar to that. The storage account can be used by other non-Azure cloud providers also, like Snowflake. Let me repeat this way. Let me put this way. Let's make it straightforward. Whatever storage account information we are learning right now, last week and this week, this can be used by other Azure platforms like Databricks. Nice examples waiting. Even by non-Azure other cloud platforms also, like Snowflake. Now how they access? Of course, in addition to access key, SAS key, they have something called endpoints. Remember, we need to create something called endpoints. I mean, not we. The Snowflake team will create endpoints like this. This is a SQL script. As a data engineer, we are supposed to supply them that so-called endpoints. How to get the endpoints? Here it is. Go to, as per our notes, here it is. Replication page, storage endpoint. Go to geo-replication page. Once you go to geo-replication page, okay, let's wait. It's taking a few moments time to get it loaded. Or you can directly go to endpoints page also. Let's wait. Replication or endpoints, any one you can go. Here you see resource ID and endpoints. These are required. Your Snowflake team or maybe Azure team or data engineering team, they tell us what kind of endpoint they require. Whether they want blob or file or queue, etc. Okay, something like this. Copy and give it to them. In addition to this service ID or the link, we need to provide the SAS key also. That's how it works. So it's on the endpoint we get external resource communications, especially non-Azure cloud activities. Yesterday we did Power BI, but there we never use any endpoint, right? We direct use only storage account. Do you remember? Just account, nothing else. Remember that? Yesterday or
Yes.
Power BI.
Yes.
It's not asking for endpoint, right? Endpoints are mainly required for the purpose of non-Microsoft other cloud platform communications in general. Within Microsoft, regular account name should be enough. That's how it is. If anyone is from Snowflake, you had my YouTube channel, right? On the signature of the mail. Please subscribe. Almost every week, I'll keep uploading the, a new technical videos. This month is completely for Snowflake I have been doing actually. Next month, it would be for something else like event grids, something like that. I mean, Whatever you see in the courses list here, these boxes, connection with other boxes, other blue items. That's how I do. Every weekend, pretty sure you will see, for example, sometimes Postgres with Azure, sometimes Tableau with Power BI, or Tableau with Azure, or Tableau with MSBI, or Tableau with development activities, or Tableau with query tuning, something like this, or Snowflake. That's how it actually goes. Just in case, if you are looking for that kind of, I don't want to say more useful, but pretty sure we'll get some kind of new points for sure. How they can be integrated or interrelated. Yes, today, not today, tomorrow, mostly I would be able to, get one nice video on something called event grids. Another reason for it, event grids is not mentioned in the data engineering. It's not there. Reason, it's not a part of DP203 examination curriculum from Microsoft, but better to know it. Stay tuned. There is something called event grid, okay, in Azure. That event grid is required for Snowflake or other things. The purpose of event grid is nothing but triggers. Triggers, right, in SQL? Yes or no? Triggers. Whenever there is a DML operation, or whenever there is a DDL operation, do something else. Same thing here. Whenever there is a change in storage account, whenever there is a new content in the storage account, event grid will be fired, and it knows how to take the data to Snowflake, AWS S3, or Google storage buckets, or anything, anywhere else. Okay, that's how it is. What is the alternative for event grids then? Why it is not included in DP203? What's the alternative?
Instead of incremental load, we do grids.
Yes, what's the alternative for event grids? Why it is not there in box number 7?